Having graphed the basic sine curve in the previous video, let's talk about a couple features of the graph. First, I want to talk about the idea of the period. We notice that, say we start at an x value of 0, then our graph starts to repeat itself at 2 pi. It will just copy this cycle right here. If I start at a value of negative pi over 2, then if I go a distance of 2 pi in the x direction, again the graph starts repeating itself. No matter where I start on this curve, once I go 2 pi beyond that, the graph starts repeating itself. Because of that, we say that the period of the sine curve is 2 pi, right? And kind of the technical definition, this is the smallest number greater than 0, such that the sine of any x plus that distance is the same as the sine of x. Right? And that's something that we'll use in future problems. Okay. So the period is 2 pi. I mentioned a couple seconds ago the idea of a cycle. We're going to say that a cycle is just a complete run through of one period, right? So that's kind of the terminology that we use to describe a portion of the graph that runs through a complete period. Something else to talk about, the idea of amplitude. Notice that the x-axis in this curve runs right through the middle of our graph, right? The height of our graph achieves a distance of 1 from this middle line, and the depth of the graph also achieves a distance of 1 from that middle line. So that we say the amplitude of the basic sine curve is 1.